Your desktop is a mess? Clear the noise and get to work. Introducing Deskepty, a free customizable Windows app organizer. Launch the app. Add groups. Select, drag, drop. Switch between light and dark mode to match your environment. Customizable icon scaling. Make your workspace as big or as small as you need it. Even system icons have a home inside Deskepty. Stay in the flow. Use customizable hotkeys to show, hide, or search instantly. Effortless JSON exports and automatic backups keep your configuration safe and portable. Make it yours. Fully customize colors, fonts, and backgrounds to build a workspace that matches your aesthetic.